Ah. Hello everyone. Hello tapageur. Could you tell me if you can hear me in the chat? So if the sound is okay, I guess it's okay. Yes. Okay, cool. Hello Lego. Cool. Let's continue what we have started weeks ago. But before we start, I just need to share my screen. So there's something I wanted to do before. I don't know if you know, but I am using Eclipse.js, and when you click on create a workspace, I have this this starter based on dev files actually. That would start the environment variable for a project. So this is the project we're working on, but I'm not sure it is updated with the latest dev file. So I have a script, I have a workspace to update this this panel. This is what I'm going to do. And it is using a script that would check if there's a dev file in the repo and create it. So the only thing is that I'm not sure if it will properly update it. So let's give a try. I think it would fail. So what is the repo name again? I think it's like that. Oh no. JH pages, yes, that's it. Pages again. If I do that, I'm sure it is going to fail. Because okay, let's give it a try. Interesting. What's that? Oh, it's working. I'm surprised. It's working, and I have changed something. Is that? Oh yeah. But there was that has changed. But I can just push it in. Yeah, I can push that like it is. Let's do that. Publish to search. So it's summit.com, and my password is. So actually, the program that we currently are working on is supposed to replace that search.sh. That's why I'm doing that, because the problem is that sometimes search.sh is not available. It's the site is down, and that breaks my chi environment. So I want to have something similar to that command and push that way. So my password is my password is search.sh. Okay, and paste here. Okay, so now if I go to create a workspace, if I go to custom page, oh, I think I had to reload it as a cache. If I do generate pages, I should see the thing with the token, maybe. No, it did not work. Oh, I'm stupid. Forgot to I forgot to build the registry. I have to build it and then push it. Build, okay, and then push. And boom. Okay, so let's back, create a new workspace. Custom workspace so I can see the dev file and see if there's my changes. Token. Yes, it is working. So the next time I can just click here and it will start the workspace with the complete environment for this project. So that's cool. Message on my phone. Why is it so long? Come on. Why is it so long? Ah, I'm wondering why it was so long to pass this part. Maybe it was related to the images that are downloaded with the plugins. Maybe. Okay, so next thing was that I had a look to the. Let me open a browser. Yeah. What's that? Okay, let's go there and there. Yes, so I had a look to the documentation and this library. It is the library we were using last time. And finally, I figure out that by browsing to the project, that what we were doing to check the password is not mandatory. Because it's already checking the environment variable here, so from an environment. So there is some in the library. It is using that to fetch, and I think I have written something to remember. No. So finally, getting the password and everything is not needed. Oh, user is not. So, okay, I'm lost. I haven't touched on this code after 1 week, and I'm already lost. That's really bad. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Also, there's something else I would like to try is Quarkus 2 and the continuous testing part, but maybe not this time, but maybe the next time, because yeah, maybe next week we'll try continuous testing. We do testing. The only thing is if I can run the test with a fake token or a fake account or not. Yeah, we'll see. So we were getting the environments from that token, but it's not needed. So because we could use, let me check so, I think it was. No, I don't have the source. How come? Supposed to get me the source file. Go to implementation. Ah, yeah. Get properties. When did I saw that I could use the environment. Ah, yes, that's it. You see. So it's I don't need to have my own environment variable. I will reuse that at the moment. So let's remove the password and everything. Our class. Let's break it. I don't even have to use the token. So this is useless actually. And I can even do something like, yeah, I will simplify the code. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I will simplify it. Okay, GitHub equals something like that. And let me think. And that should work. If I go to now to wait, it's red. Ah, yeah, I can remove that. Password. Oh, but the user. Interesting. Yeah, I will remove the user as well. I'm just gonna change the. I move the chat box here, or maybe I can just close this window. I move the chat box here. Up. I know. Yeah. Okay. So I don't need the token, and that was the last. Yeah. So I think that if I use the right environment variable, so not this one, it should be okay. So what I'm gonna do is edit the task here. Configure task. Configure this one, and I would do something like so some people don't like YAML, but I hate JSON. I don't know how to go to have multi-line string. Maybe I'm not. It's searching in Google. Multi-line string. Ah, interesting. So I can do something like that. Oh, okay. I cannot have to replace. Oh, that's silly. It doesn't work. I hate JSON. Oh, So, so the GitHub token is with. If I look at this, no, I need the login first. I would say. Yeah, something like that. So not the token, but the user. So read user. Export, and now I will use the right environment variable for the user. So copy, paste, I could password, so I use a token, but it's actually a password. And now instead of that, I would set the password here. So, but this is just temporary, just to be able to test quickly. I don't need the program args yet. Let's keep it like that. Yeah, let's keep it like that. Let's keep it like that. Oh yeah. I will keep it. I will keep the program args. What's that name? Oh. Yeah. Let's keep it there. Let's give it a try. What unexpected? What if we do that? Oh, missing the whole the beginning. The username is not a password, so I can just do something like that, maybe. Yes. Nice. A password. What is my password? I try not to share the password with you this time. Yeah. A password for V, enter, no argument, program args. Okay, so Lego question. If the command line is too long, can you use a bash file? Yeah, I can use a bash file, but that's yeah, I can use a bash file. That would be easier for editing. Interesting. There's the bug. Yeah, let's do the bash file. I will create a new folder, dev, and have a bash file. Yeah. New file. Let's name it start dev mode. Something like that. Okay, because I do it every day. I know. So is bash available? That's the problem sometimes in containers, is that bash is there, so I can use bash. Sometimes it's not there. Depends on the container you're running the script. So bash, and I can copy the content. Yeah, that's good because it will simplify the everything. So like, let's do something like dev slash dev slash start dev mode. .sh. Okay. Then it yeah, again this is temporary. Maybe in the next time, the next time we will use Pico CLI, and we won't have to enter this value. We will do yeah, we'll do that with Pico CLI. Sound good? Of course, I have to change the plus x the slash, and normally magically I can stop that one process. I do. I can execute here. Okay, or I can use this one, and it should work. So I had a bug here. Okay. Yeah. What is the bug? Why it is? It was throwing an exception. So Stunix, my new website does not exist. So it's creating the repo. Oh, and then blah. Okay, let's give it. Let's have a look. Because that should work. Okay, no message to give me a clue. No. That should work because it was working last time. It was working last time. So does not exist and create repo. I think it's breaking here. I should have test. You were right, Tapager. It's when it's creating the repo. It says find not found exception. What? User repo. Oh my! Because I have removed the user. I guess yes. So create repo. Repo name. How does it get the repo name? Let's see in okay. Oh, I remember. Yes, I remember. What we did was yes, that was okay. Okay, with repo name. Maybe it was. Okay, I remember now. So in GitHub. I actually it's checking the right the right project, but then it's not generating the right one. Right. So if I remove that, it's actually concatenating the username and the project. So I can just remove this one. Delete. Please type this to confirm. I understand the consequences, and my password is. Okay. So if I run again, it should work now. I just have to click enter, thanks to Quarkus. Let reload. It works, so it created the repo. Okay. So I can just. Okay, so that was the repo, but it's creating it with the wrong name. Okay. Now I remember what we were doing. It took me half an hour to figure out. Okay, so we want to split. There's a to do here. I wrote a to do to for the next time because I knew I would forget. So and I wasn't reading this to do. So name repo name. I'm gonna split it and use. This is not. This is not safe. I mean, it's not robust. Let's. I'm doubting now, so let's create a test file. And to do that with test. No. Yes. Let's do like that. A new folder. Sorry. So in test, test or tests? Test or tests? Do I have something to create a test with the run test, but there's no create test? No. Okay. Okay, something else I have to do. Create new folder, and so in test I can do something like Java. Okay, and now new file. Let's name it let's name it Java, and let's create a class. And now if I do like test should so I want to test the split. Yeah, I want to have some tests here. So should return. I will change the data the name. Repo name. Repo name without username. Yes. And if I do like like something like so create repo get repo name. So the repo name is not the repo name, so that's why this is a mess. It's a big mess. So maybe I should yeah, let's do something like that. So let's break it even before. I will name it this method with full repo name. So a full repo name is including the username, right? And I would do the split here. So like that. So the split would be done here. So name here. So repo name. No. Full repo name. So full repo name, that split, and then repo name equals to tokens 1. And how do we call the, not the username, but the its org name maybe. Yeah. Repo org name. Let's use that. Token 0. And I can control dot create a field here, and it's never used, but this is. And when you create a new repo, you say, I'm surprised you cannot change the. Yes, let's do like that. We'll see, we figure out later. Yeah. Have a message. Oh, nothing important. So create repo name with repo org name. And yes, I have to do my my tests. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah. Unit 5. And I can say, I think I can import the service here. Check it, try to write that. Would that work? There's a bug here. Hmm. Hmm. No. Not here. Why it is indenting like that? So I should choose the JavaX inject, and services should be the one that is in the same package. So I did something wrong. Yes, right. I did something wrong. Rename the package. Rename symbol. What? Doesn't work? Symbol. Name this is not supported. Oh, come on. Ah, I know. How to do something like that. And do the quick fix. Change a move. Yeah, that's working. Inject. How do I inject this? Okay. So that should work. So I can do like GitHub services dot repo name. My website, and assert what equals my blah. Let's see. Assert equals it's Okay. I don't remember the order, but that's not a problem. GitHub services dot get repo name my website. Why it is not importing? Okay, so let's try check first. Expected actual message. Okay, so that's wrong. Expected actual message. Okay, something like that. And run the test. Great. Ah. Null pointer exception. Ah. So it couldn't inject that. Maybe it has to be a Quarkus something. Let me check in the doc of Quarkus. Maybe it should be a Quarkus test. Let's try with the Quarkus test annotation. Yeah, this one. And try again. Run the test. Okay. It's running. Okay, pass. Okay. So if I run the application again, I'm pretty sure it would work. Yes, I can remove that. Yes, let's give it a try. Enter. Creating the repo, it works. Let's have a look. Yeah. I will finish that with hundreds of repo for testing. Sunix. Oh. Not good, not good. He created this one. Come on. What's wrong with my test? My test. So get repo name should be my website, and looks good. Why it is creating with the So org is the first item, so that's good. But maybe I'm not using it properly here. I'm gonna remove the imports. Um, oh, should be repo name. So I can try again, and now I should go. It's creating the repo, and then there's no message. All good. Let's have a look. Where is my new website? Let's remove all this. I hope it did not create it somewhere else, but I doubt. Wait. Let's remove this one as well. Delete repo. Okay, I have 7 minutes to figure out what's wrong. And then we can. Let's check. Ah, not using it at all. What's wrong? Let's running it. Let's running it again. So my new website is not. Wait. I'm gonna have here. Yeah, let's do something like that. Control 1. No, not control 1. Control that. Create method. And here, get full name is actually equal. Is that repo org name plus you agree with that? So okay. Hmm. Okay, it should work, so I'm not sure to understand why. So, Sunix, my new website does not exist, creating the repo. But why I don't have any repo created? So now it's not creating any repo. Why? Hmm. But I thought I have changed that. So it's... Oh, oh, why? Would that be that? No. Strange. No, it doesn't create any repo now. I'm confused. Let's try to restart this everything. Try to run again. Unix. Get a password. Paste. I'm not creating the. Let's try to debug, maybe. So let's try. Let's add a breakpoint here. Start a debug session. Hope it works. Hit enter. Uh, Maybe. No. No. Strike. It's okay. I don't understand because it was creating repos with other values. Let's change. Maybe that. Oh, strange. Very strange. Hmm. Very strange. I don't understand. So it creates a new repo. Let's create a new repo in there. Let's create a new repo Peter. I don't understand because it was working just before. Okay, time off. It's 7 o'clock in France. Yeah, I have to debug that next time or after. So yeah, let's finish. Sorry about that. It happens that we can't find the solution. We can, yeah. Let me switch to the weekend. Yeah, so have a good weekend. Yes, and see you. I hope I would find out the problem. I won't spend the weekend on that. So let's see if we. Yeah, we let's have a look next week, next Friday. So yeah, same time, same day, Friday. So thank you for joining. Thank you, Lego. Thank you, Tapageur. And see you in next week. Bye.